sinks in here, there's, two sinks in this, three sinks, you got the island sink, and then two regulars.
This is science lab?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a science room.
Yeah, so,
That epoxy?
yeah.
No,
this is definitely not epoxy. No, that's wood. Maybe epoxy coated, but no, that's sort of,
That's wood, yeah, it's from like.
It's like pionate or something.
well, they don't have all the acids in them.
No.
Energy bulb, a typical bulb.
Yeah.
So you got them shut
Yeah, I
off
see
there
that, yeah.
too and everything, you know.
Yeah.
So, but the shut-offs are in the ceiling below
Yep.
on this floor.
That we saw already.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So we didn't actually go into this room below us. There's one sink, looks like that down below us.
The
Yeah.
But all the
elevator,
valves,
yeah.
we're gonna actually go to that room because that's where most of.
But we can't get in there. I think
it's not open. It's locked.
together in
think
the
so. I
room
think
right
we tried
below
it.
us.
You know what you guys can do? You can run down the hall on the left media center.
Yep.
Find one of the guys sitting there and ask him if he can open it for you.
Alright. And you wanna get in the elevator?
Pretty cut and dry in here. Couple sinks. But like I said, just go
Down the hall in the
below.
media center. Ask one of those guys.
You actually have 3 new roof drains. One here, and pretty much like one over there is 3.
Okay.
New roof drains right above you, right in here. 1, 2, and number 3's over here.
Alright.
Alright. It actually goes down in this wall. And then it goes into that chase of the bathroom groups that are right below us in the middle. There is one dandy clean out in the access panel for that, but yet again, I'm not sure that you want to pull any of that.
Right.
Without an issue with it. And you have the 2 plaster traps. Or 1 plaster trap, sorry.
Yep.
2 plaster traps. Oh, this one's got 2. Two plaster traps, 1 out.
Perfect.
So I don't know if you were the guy responsible for cleaning
No,
those out.
they just started that.
They just do those on however.
The guy that's doing the grease traps is gonna do those.
Okay. So probably whatever.
Yeah, those get part of that actually.
Yeah, oh yeah. We don't have any valves to worry about in this system. These are the ones they showed you down below.
Yep.
There's one more sink over here. That teaches teacher lounge in there. I'd say your valves are right down the walls.
Yep.
That's all there is for any plumbing over